Hey everybody, this video we got another package from eBay. This one should be like 5 or 6 locks actually with keys if I recall correctly. Got a master lock here, number 930. A old American lock. These things are cool. It's got the double-sided wafer locks, kind of neat. And a couple of master lock number 3s. Code on the bottom of it there. Dirty ass keys. And another master lock number 3. Keyed differently. Old packaging. And then a lock that I don't own. I have some of the rest of these, or all the rest of these, or at least I've had them in the past if I don't have them now. I got one of these Schlage locks. I was kind of wanted one of these. Looking at the key here, I guess it is a Schlage key. It's just got a weird shaped head on it. No, it's not. It's actually an American. Interesting. It looks like an American lock to me. Yeah, it is. Okay, an American lock core and a Schlage body. Interesting. I actually bought this just for this lock. I thought it was actually a Schlage one, but whatever, I guess. See if we can pick it open out of the package here. I should pick one of the master locks to make sure I get something on video. Okay, we're on a false set already. Now the bidding on this was on the key, and I didn't catch the number there, but it looked like a lot of long pins. $856,733. So I guess the spools are probably going to be one of the back pins, probably. Should be some counter rotation on something here. Okay, I'll start over here looking for my other pick here. Alright, time to clean all this shit up. Usually when I can't find stuff, it's right friggin' in front of me. Trying to find my 20,000 or 25,000 Peterson gems, what I was looking for. Guess we can try the 18,000s. Get into a false set here. There it goes. Was one of the back pins here. Those are the shortest ones. So just needed a little bit more reach and possibly a little bit more talent. Practice or something. And I need to find that friggin' pick too. I don't bring these picks off of this desk, so it should be somewhere. Kind of am disappointed actually that this is a friggin' Schlage. Schlage lock with an American core. I mean, I love American locks and all, but I kind of wanted to get a Schlage lock with a full-size Schlage core. There we go. And I actually do have a key for a change, so I'd imagine this bottom plate comes off. There we go. Alright, so it's going to have all the factory grease on it. I'm also going to make a follower too, like with when you pick these things, you know, the regular follower won't work to gut it. You got to flip it around. So I'm actually got some plastic rod here with the right size. So I'm going to make a follower that'll work without having to lock it back or flip it to use a gut it. Yeah, this one's got a key, but follow my channel and all, you know, I pick a ton of locks without keys. Let's say I pick more without keys than with, lately anyway. So you have to turn it, it's actually not cooperating here. There it goes. Maybe. I wonder if this thing is like a weird diameter or something. It is not wanting to let the follower come through. There it goes. Alright, so for key pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, if you zoom in a little bit here. So these aren't American brand key pins. These are, there's number 1 right there. That's actually a metal anti-drill pin. Then I just drop somewhere, oh well. Yeah, I guess these are actually, because, okay, the drill pin was serrated. Okay, these are all serrated, just the last 2 pins are number 3, and I guess they're not serrated. On regular American pins, they start serrating them at 3. And I'll have to go crawl around on the floor later for that other pin, or just replace it, 'cause I don't really care if it's got an anti-drill pin in it or not. And then up top here, number 6, yep, 6 was a spool. 5's also a spool. This is going great. That's a record for one shooting me landed in a drawer. And so far they're all spools. So, and then driver on number 1 is also an anti drill pin. That's just a regular standard pin. It's just steel. And then pins 2 through 6 were all spools. And get you a close-up of this. And I'll go crawl around and look for that other pin for a minute here. If I don't find it, I'll just replace it. But anyway, I just want to show those locks. So you'll be seeing these get picked in the next couple of videos here, the rest of these locks. And so anyway, I guess that'll do it for now. Then we'll talk to everybody later.